Lovebird is the common name for the genus Argaponis, a small group of parrots in the Old World parrot family. Out of the 9 species in the genus, all are native in the African continent. This is the reason why they are known to be called African lovebirds. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. Today's video, allow me to encourage you about bird farming. And this bird farming has been a very lucrative business for the hobbyists. And in fact, just for this year, we were able to double the population of our birds just by means of giving them simple feeding. We are not actually spending a lot of money just to be able to multiply our birds and find out what is this food that are really very miraculous for our birds. Lovebirds can be described as active, curious, feisty, and playful. So they definitely pack a lot of personality into a small package. They are very social birds that form deep bonds with their owners. They can be very cuddly birds. They are one of the smaller parrot species available as companion pet, but this bird is inquisitive and seemingly always on the go. They are very active. The basic cage care includes daily cleaning, changing of the food, and water dishes. This is the most effective way to prevent diseases and illness. You look at this malunggay, known scientifically as Moringa oleifera lamp. This is one of the most useful plants. This is used as food and very effective in water treatment, antibiotic, source of oil, and coagulant for turbid waters. It is also called mother's best friend. So I have here a bunch of this moringa. Actually, we have 5 bunches of this moringa that are actually about to be fed to our birds. And if you are really very serious about, propagating your birds, you don't have to neglect this one, because this is a miracle food for them. And not only that they will multiply, but also they are very active. Since the time that we have started farming this kind of birds, we did not miss giving this very miracle plant. And I would like to feed them now, and you will see how they're gonna like this. So we will open this one, and then we will put one bundle of these leaves. And the good thing about also of giving this moringa to our African lovebirds is the fact that they utilize the stalk of this. The stick of this one will be utilized by them for nesting materials. And if you can look at inside, we have so many chicks right there, and I'm so happy because we are actually not spending a lot. To tell you honestly, I did not buy any supplements for our birds. I only utilized this one and some other plants that are just available in the vicinity, like this gulasiman or olasiman seeds. So now we will open this one, and we will put this one bundle of leaves of this moringa. So guys, we will open, and you will witness now how they're gonna eat this one. Wow. Good morning. Here's your favorite food. As a hobbyist, I can spend the whole day watching over the activities of this African lovebirds. Actually, their activities here inside the cage can be comparable to human activities because there are courtship, there are marriages that are happening here inside, and the building of the nest. If you're gonna put some hay right here, they're gonna be busy building their nest, especially if those birds are already adult ones. That they're already ready and capable of rearing their chicks. And these are the beauty of nature. No one has told them how to do their nest and how to feed their chicks and even how to, take care of their babies. But these are nature. They really can take care of themselves, take care of their babies until they become independent. And one of the activities that I like the most is the kissing scenes of these birds. They love to kiss each other. They love to transfer their food from the male to female or from the female to male. They are really very adorable. And another thing that I have observed about these birds are they are very caring to each other. Although sometimes they are highly territorial, but the reason for this is jealousy over territory, over the nest box, and of course over their place, the usual place where they perch. You will see here that we have here inside the complete pair. I normally maintain the flight cage. The flight cage is the cage where you're gonna put all the birds unpaired, meaning that they will be allowed to select their pair naturally. I'll go for the natural pairing. And when the time comes, they're too noisy. They're really very noisy. But when the time comes that they're gonna be able to find their individual pairs, and that's the time that they can be qualified in the breeding cage. And we have perfect pairs right here. That's why we were able to address the disturbance. We were able to address the rivalry over the hen or over the cocks. So you can see how they're gonna like this food. They're now eating this one, and some of them are actually shredding the stalk of this moringa for nesting materials. And you will see that they really love the leaves because these leaves have juice, and this liquid or juice that they can get is really good for the babies. So we will examine whether or not we can see babies right here, and I'm sure that you will know the evidence of what we are talking about. These are the proof that this Moringa, or the kind of system that we have adopted here, are effective. You know, if you are doing regular activities here inside the cage, it will not anymore amaze them. Meaning that even if you will regularly check the nest boxes, if you're doing this on a regular basis, they will not anymore treat this one as disturbance. So I'm doing this because I would like to, monitor from time to time the conditions of the eggs and even the conditions of the chicks. So as we can see right here, we have so many eggs. We have eggs over there, and then right here we can also see some chicks, and this is true to other nest boxes. So we're producing a lot of babies, and we are also have resorted to hand feeding, where this Moringa is one of the components of their food, and it gives us a very, very successful result. And I would like to share this with you right now because I know that there are actually some hard times experienced, failures experienced by our farmers of these birds, especially during the beginning time. Meaning that if you're a newbie to this farm, you're gonna encounter some difficulties and failures. And maybe this video can help you address the problem. When you're hand feeding your babies, you can also add a little amount of Moringa to the diet. It is really an energy-giving food to the babies, and they love to eat it so much. It contains 46 antioxidants and 36 anti-inflammatory agents. If you are a bird keeper or a farmer, I know that you can relate with me what I'm talking about these plants, because this is gonna make our farming of this bird very, very successful. And if you can see the nest boxes right here, they are filled with eggs and even chicks. And I've been doing this for several years already, maybe 2 years. And during those 2 years that I have spent making research and discovering what is good for our birds, I can now conclude that one of the best things that I have discovered personally is giving the Moringa leaves to our birds, to our cockatiels, and even to these parakeets and African lovebirds. So you will witness now how they gonna like this one. I will just put it here. These very fat babies are a product of the vitamins that they can get out of these plants. And in fact, the average babies that each pair of these parakeets can produce here in our cage is 4 to 5. So we have here 2. Some others have 8 or 6 or 7. That's how prolific are these birds. Aside from the Moringa, we can also use gulasiman. Other terms call this porcelain. During breeding season, I normally give gulasiman to our breeders because these are aphrodisiacs. This can help them boost their appetite to breed. That's all that we can share with this video, and I hope that you can get good message out of the videos that we have uploaded, and you will continue to like and share it to your friends and relatives for them also to get some good lessons out of our experiences. And I would like to make a shout out to the members of the channel and also to our avid fans or regular viewers. Thanks a lot for making an effort to do some comments in the comment box, and actually I'm patiently reading all your comments just for me to be able also to be encouraged and get good vibes out of your positive and even constructive criticisms. And I'd like to invite you, if you are not subscribed to this channel, may I humbly invite you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we're uploading videos regularly only here at Dexter's World.